Hey guys, today I'll be doing a little get ready with me and my hair care routine, which I'll be showing you how I got my hair to this, from this in just one hair wash using GKhair product, which has definitely been a game changer for me. So as you can see, my hair was looking very unhealthy and very greasy. I wasn't happy at all, and now I'm so thankful that I found this brand. So let's start. I started off by using their shampoo, which is so hydrating and it smells amazing. I wish you guys could smell it. So I started off by massaging my scalp, and right after I rinsed up with water, and my hair is already feeling so much lighter. And then I used my GKhair conditioner, which is so moisturizing. Wish you guys could feel it. And then done. Now my favorite part is to put my leave-in spray from GKhair. It eliminates frizz and it detangles the hair, which is just what you need before brushing your hair. Now I'm finally ready to blow dry my hair, and right away I can see the shine on my hair. Just look how shiny my hair got. It's unreal. I'm loving it. This is so gonna be my hair care essential from now on. But it's not all. Now I'm gonna finalize it with this argan oil serum, which smells so good. Oh my god. This argan oil serum is so lightweight and it doesn't make your hair greasy at all. With just few drops, hair is gonna feel frizzy free all day long. Love it!